Hello everyone. Quick video on how to calculate entropy. So we've been talking about the fact or the concept of entropy and how randomness increases. What about calculating for it? I think you'll see an equation in front of you that is very familiar. So this change in entropy standard of this system, so standard of the system is equal to the sum of the moles of the entropy of the products minus the same thing for the reactants. So again, you saw this before when we talked about delta H. But again, it's just the same thing. And all you got to do is look these numbers up. So these numbers, all you have to do is look up. So when you see these particular problems, here's an example. And I'm not going to go through these very much. You guys can figure this out yourself and follow along. But you notice it is products minus reactants. And everything has a measurable entropy because everything has some randomness. Okay, so no longer do elements have a zero. It won't be zero. It'll have some value. Okay, notice it is joules per kmol. Joules per K times moles. So just plug in the numbers and multiply it by the moles. So notice again, it's products first, reactants second, so first and second. And you end up with values down below. Here's another example. See if you can get the answer. Here's another example. Work it through. Okay. And some practice problems. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this just so you had a look at it. The correct answer is D, and there's how it's worked out. Again, pause where you need to, but these are real simple. This is just like delta H. Delta H standard for the reaction. Okay, and here's the answer. And try this one. Oh, let me show you that. There we go. So there's our equation. We got a lot. Oh, these are big numbers. Humongous. Okay, so B is the correct answer. And this one, it's asking the data to provide the reports. Report the units as joules per kmol. Answer. Here we go. And then we'll stop there. Email me with questions.